Hey, while I love the flexibility of remote work, there are a lot of challenges with not meeting customers face-to-face. In remote calls, we are all wearing proverbial paper bags on our heads. No one is really talking to each other. It is tough to engage with customers. Unlike in a real-life meeting, my customers never really see me in a video call. I am just a little postage stamp at the bottom of the screen. It is hard for anyone to see me, hard to build trust, and really hard for my customers to remember me when they are making a buying decision. Did you know that in a recent survey, 92% of executives said that video and on-screen presence was critical for their engagement? Reactive Suite gets this. It lets me stand out in a video conference call. I can differentiate myself. Not only does it let me control my camera image, it has my business card front and center. Then it lets me write and mark up the document. Every time I write on the screen, I make you look and read exactly what I want you to look at. This is a powerful tool which helps to my customers remember what I had to say. With Reactive Suite, I also can present any type of content I want, not just a slide deck. You know what they say, you should never send a contract out without legs. I can just pull up the document and walk my customer through it before I send it out. Actually, I can use Reactive Suite to record a video message of me talking and even attach that to the email as a meeting recap, or to give that message a little bit of a personalized touch. Reactive Suite will really transform your remote sales presentations. It can actually make your customers feel like they are in the same room as you, presenting before them in the boardroom, not staring at a brick wall. Now, that's worth the cost of admission.